من یه آقایی هستم اومدم الان 50 سالمه اومدم پیش شما میخوام که شما منو ویزیت بکنی هیچ چیز دیگه هم الان من بهت نمیگم میخوام که شما ببینم اتوماتیکلی چی کار میکنی
Hello, Mr. Shokouhi. I'm the attending physician today. Can you tell me what brings you in today?
Well, really doctor is I know it's nothing it's some chest pain I had and you know I feel like a fraud but yeah I just thought I would have to come and check it
Okay, first I need to know more about your chest pain. Can you tell me more about that?
Well, it started the night before, so that's nearly 2 nights before. Just it just started with a sort of discomfort and then started to feel a little bit more painful and then yeah it's there. I know it's nothing important but you know we have a neighbor who had a heart attack a few months ago so and I know it's nothing but I just thought I would come and have it checked.
I'm glad that you had that you attempt to visit me, and have you had this pain? Have you experienced this pain before, or is what the first time?
No, I haven't had it before. No, it's the first time.
How was the pain? I mean that was it sharp or a dull pain?
I don't know. It's just there. What do you mean?
I mean that was it like a pressure in your chest, or was it localized to a specific area?
No, it's localized or sorry. It's yeah, it is sharp. Yes, and it is here. Yes.
And did you have any other symptom? I mean, dyspnea, difficulty breathing?
Breathing? No, I'm okay. I can breathe well.
So, based on the information you provided, and I think that the most probable first I need to do a physical examination, and then we will decide based on the diagnosis. We will decide on the treatment options, right?
Okay. So yeah, normal examination.
Okay, so based on the examination, I think that the most probable diagnosis for you is muscle spasm.
Muscle spasm. Oh, okay. Yeah. Right. What should I do now?
But for confirmation, we need to do heart. We need to rule out more serious problems, such as problem in your vessels, and we need to do an EKG. And
what is EKG, doctor?
Let me explain it to you. It's actually a device that with some probes provide the activity of your heart.
Oh, the tracing, your heart tracing one. Okay. Okay.
That's right.
Okay. And that helps with my bone pain?
It's not for your bone pain, but with the help of this tracing, we will rule out the existence of some more serious problems.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. But, doctor, when I stand up, I feel very dizzy, It's, uh, is that normal?
Uh, mm, um, so we need to. It's very difficult without the notes, without the role play card.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's just since I had this this black stool, then when I stand up I feel a bit dizzy.
Ah,
And the
so
pain started after that actually. Okay. ما پس آیا به working diagnosis رسیدیم یا نه؟ اوکی.
استراکچرم خیلی بد بود.
خب چی شد؟ چیکار مشکل چی بود؟ یعنی کدوم قسمت ها رو خوب انجام دادید؟ اولا فیلینگتون چیه؟ احساس میکنید که چطور شد؟ چه احساسی داشتین؟ آیا احساس میکنید که پرفورمنستون خوب بود یا متوسط
ابدا،
بود؟
نه خیلی بد بود.
بله. یعنی از 10 چه نمره به خودتون میدین؟
3.
از 10. اوکی. So, what went well? کدوم قسمت ها رو خوب انجام دادیم؟
گریتینگش بد نبود.
اوکی.
اینفورمیشن گیوینگش گدرینگش خیلی متوسط بود.
یعنی میتونست بهتر باشه.
حتما.
اوکی. دیگه؟
دیگه بعدش هم اصلا از دستم در رفت.
چرا؟ پس استراکچر رو به اضافه اینفورمیشن گدرینگ و دیگه ideas, concerns, expectations و information giving. اوکی. خب اینجا رو ما میگیم که به خاطر اینکه شما به اطلاعات رو نداده بودیم اون قبول. اوکی. پس فقط راپو با اینفورمیشن گدرینگ خوب انجام شد ها؟
تقریبا.
اوکی. خب چیکار باید میکردیم اینفورمیشن گدرینگ اون بهتر بشه؟
باید سیستم تایستر عمل می‌کردم، یعنی اول همون سوالات کلی، بعد سوالات جزئی.
Systematic open questions first. اوکی. شما زود رفتین سراغ closed questions.
درسته.
اوکی. چطوری میتونیم بگین که بیشتر open question بکنید قبل از اینکه برسید به اون حد چیز closed question چه کار میشه کرد؟
گفتم can you tell me more، ولی دیگه
اوکی.
بیشتر
خب
چیزی نگفت.
خب وقتی مریض حرف نمیزنه باید چی کار بکنیم ما وقتی اطلاعات نمیده؟
مثلا what next، نمیدونم، شاید اینطوری.
وقتی مریض خیلی حرف نمیزنه بهش بگین که اوکی what happened what were you doing What exactly were you doing? Can you remember what were you doing at the time? And how did it start? Okay. So, and I say, well, yeah, I was watching television and I was doing this and that. Okay. And then what happened? And then what happened? And then اگه دیگه نگفت دیگه اون وقت میگم okay. Now, uh, basically there is a pain. Where is it? Here. Um, then you said, what is it like? Is it sharp pain? Uh, yeah, it's sharp. Does it go anywhere else? Yes or no? Does it get worse with physical activity? That's the key question. Okay. And then, did you do anything to make it better? Did you do anything to make? Does anything make it worse? Also, does it come and go? And then, did you have any other symptoms? Did you have any dizziness? And now, then you pick up the positive. Yeah, it's a sharp pain behind here, and yeah, it gets worse when I eat. Okay, right. So, did you feel sick? Did you feel? Did you have any diarrhea, any stomach problems? But if I say, well, no, it's dull pain. Okay, it's dull pain. So does it come and go? No. Okay. When does it change when you move? Oh yes, when I bend over, it actually hurts. But if I move my arm, it gets better. Okay. So basically, yeah, as you said, systematic. But on a scale of 0 to 10, how bad is it? It is on a scale of 0 to 10. Well, it is 4 or 5. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. So the questioning could be more systematic and open questions, more systematic, uh, and then yeah, just say what were you doing, for example. What were you doing? Do you remember what were you doing when it started? Okay. Okay. So شما پس زود رفتید سراغ diagnosis. Okay.
درسته.
آیا من دنبال diagnosis بودم یا نه؟
نه.
و من اومدم بگم که what is my diagnosis؟
نه.
چی میخواستم من پس؟
این که نگران بودین که یه همسایه‌ای داشتین که این درد رو داشته، یعنی بیشتر دنبال این که اطمینان بگیرین که این چیز خطرناکی هست یا نه.
اوکی. خب از کجا فهمیدین اینو؟
گفتین دیگه، گفتین این چیزی نیست ولی ما یه همسایه‌ای داشتیم که
Okay. So you picked up the cue, neighbor, which is a third person. Bez of hey, I was denying, okay? I was saying, oh, I know it's nothing important, and I repeated this, okay? And I feel like a fraud, but I know it's nothing. But, we had this neighbor who had this and that, okay? So what is in my brain? What is in my thought? What is my idea? It's chest pain. Is related to heart. What is my concern? I'm worried about what?
seriousness of the disease. Heart attack.
It might be a heart attack. Okay. Expectation? So he said, I just thought I would come and have it checked. Okay. Check my heart. Okay. So basically, do I want to know what exactly it is? No. I just want to know whether it's my heart or not. Okay. پس این که حالا من بیام براش تشخیص بذارم بگم که okay this is something this and that. So پس اون چیزی که شما دارید اگر همین همه چیز رو بخوایم چک کنیم تو 10 دقیقه نمیتونیم، تو 5 دقیقه نمیتونیم، 10 دقیقه هم نمیتونیم. کاری که میتونیم بکنیم اینه که میخوایم ببینیم که آیا این قلبه یا نه. برای اینکه بدونیم قلبه یا نه باید چیکار کنیم؟
EKG بگیر.
اوکی دیگه چی؟
اکو بگیر.
اه،
معاینه کن.
اه، 85% تشخیص بیماری قلبی و ام آی با
شرح حال.
بله مرسی خیلی ممنون. Exertional, non-exertional chest pain, radiation, associated symptoms, risk factors. Okay. آیا سابقه داشتین نداشتین؟ بیماری دیگه دارید ندارید؟ Do you smoke? Okay. Okay. And personal history. Have you had any heart attacks before? که رو پرسیدین شما to be fair. Okay. So right. So اگر این رو کیو رو دنبال میکردیم دیگه لازم نبود تشخیص بذاریم، فقط میگفتیم که okay you see your chest pain is not exertional, it's not related to physical activity, and basically you didn't have any shortness of breath, you didn't have any dizziness, so I think it is very unlikely to be a heart problem, but what we can do is to do a heart tracing for you. Okay. And we can also do a blood test if you want. So basically information giving is based on responding to ice. So what I should respond, I should say why I think it is not my idea. What is my idea? Not heart. Why? Giving reasons. Okay, and I check with the patient if they're happy. So basically, we gather information, find the eyes that is checking the heart because I think it is heart. We picked up the cue. And then we say, well, I don't think it is. It's very unlikely to be your heart because of this and that. And that would be the right structure. Okay. Right.